Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify project milestones with Buildertrend, full guide step by step clearly. To verify project milestones with Buildertrend, first, log in to your Buildertrend account. Navigate to the Projects tab on the main dashboard. Select the specific project you want to verify. Once inside the project details, locate the Milestones section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Milestones tab to view all listed milestones for that project. Review the milestones to see their current status. If a milestone has been reached, you will notice an indicator showing its completion status. To update a milestone, click on the milestone you want to verify. In the milestone details, check the completion date and any attached documentation. If everything looks accurate, mark the milestone as complete. To do this, select the Mark as Complete button typically located at the bottom of the milestone details. After marking it as complete, ensure you enter any necessary comments for context. Once submitted, the changes will automatically update in the project overview. Repeat these steps for any additional milestones you need to verify. For further verification, you can generate a report of completed milestones for your records. Check the Reports tab in the main navigation to find milestone reports. Select the parameters for your report and run it to review the milestones in detail. This will provide a comprehensive view of your project's progress. If you encounter any issues while verifying milestones, refer to the Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Remember to communicate any updates to your team and stakeholders for better transparency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.